Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Tony the Tiger. You may know Tony the Tiger from obviously Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. This was a request from this wonderful person right here. So let's just get started. We're going to start by drawing Tony's face, and I'm going to do that with an eye. So we're just going to do a little oval for an eye. And inside that we're going to do another little oval and have a little teeny tiny one there too. So the middle oval we did is going to go all dark. And we can do a little line above it. And next I'm going to do a line right here coming down. And then it's going to go slanted here. And then it's going to get real rounded. And keep going, keep going, keep going. And then right here on the other side, we're going to do another little line coming up. And then it's slanting out and meeting with that point right here. So we're going to do a bit of a curved line right here. It's not completely straight, it has a bit of a curve to it. And then right here, we're going to do another bit of a curve. Now we can do a triangle and color that in dark. And on the other side, we're going to do a dark triangle as well. So now we have the nose and his little nostrils done. So right here, we can do another oval for an eye. And then do another inside oval, and then a small one, and color the middle one dark. And do a little line above that eye. And then the next thing I'm going to do is a eyebrow right here. So I did a curve, and now I'm going to come on back over it like that and make this all dark as well. And then I can continue bringing this line down. I'm going to stop about here, and I'm going to do the other eyebrow on this side. So same as we did before, and color it in all dark. And this line can come down, but I'm going to stop right there. And then we can do a little curve right here for the top of the head between the eyes. And he's got like two little bits of hair right here. Not a whole lot of hair, but I guess he's got, mostly fur. Okay, so right here, we can kind of slant down, and we've got like a little slope. And come on out, and we've got like his cheek. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the mouth. So I'm going to do a little line right here, and then a big curve. And it kind of comes up a little bit right here underneath the middle of the nose. And then curving along this way. And do another little line. Now this line here in the middle of the nose is going to continue on down right here for the middle of the mouth. And we can do an open mouth. So I'm going to do a funny little line like that. And a curved one right here. Now we can do like two little hills for the tongue, and we can color this part in all dark. And I'm going to go over this this dark part here after with a marker, so it's not as sketchy looking, because right now I'm just kind of scribbling it in, but I'm going to go over it later with a marker. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to bring this line down a little itty bitty bit more and do a little line like that, and then another little one, and then we've got like a chin. And it's going to curve and go right here. And we'll do another little curved line, and then bring up this line here for the other part of the cheek. And then this part here is going to connect to that, like that. Now right here where we stopped with this eye line, I'm going to do a line like that, and then we have like a stripe, and this will eventually go in all dark. And then we can bring a line down right here and connect it to that one, and we're going to have a triangle right here. And up here, let's do a little ear like that. And we can do that same shape but smaller, and a little line. Now we're going to do the same thing again for the other ear. Alright, so now the next thing is we are going to bring a little line right here, and it's following the curve of the face. It's coming on down and meeting up with this line right here. Okay, so we can do a triangle right here, and another one right here. And it's not really a full triangle. You can see where it's on the side of the face. It's just a point here and a line right here, and then colored in dark. Next thing is his whiskers. So we'll do 2 on each side. Now let's do the bandana. So I'm going to do a silly little shape like that, and then come on down. And you see it's not a straight line at all. And now I'm going to bring this up to right there and do another little line and another one. It's just, these lines help show movement in the fabric. And we're going to do the knot here of our bandana, and one little, almost like a teardrop shape, and another one. And I'm going to put a few little lines right there, and we're going to write Tony, T-O-N-Y, on his bandana. Alright, so next let's do a bit of a shoulder right here, so a bit of a curve, and then I'm going to put a line right here, coming on down, kind of sloping on down, and I'm going to put another line right here. Now right here, we're going to slope downward, and we can do another line here for a shoulder, and bring this line down and put a line right here. Now we're going to do a sloping line like that, and over here it's going to be the white part of his belly. Now let's do some triangles. These are going to be the stripes. So we're going to have one right here and one right here, one here going over the white part of the belly, and here, same on the other side, one on the shoulder here, and another one here on the shoulder. And now I'm going to get started with coloring. All right, so we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for our next drawing. All right, everyone, have a really good day. Goodbye.